Hey guys, so I am straight out of the shower. I just finished doing a preliminary shampoo of my hair. I didn't put like the conditioner stuff on yet, but I noticed that I have a few ends that are a little bit heat damaged, and I know it comes from me straightening my hair like 3 times on over 400 for in the past 6 weeks. So I gotta do something about it. I gotta catch it before it gets really super bad. So let me give you guys a close-up so you can see what I'm talking about. So because I'm catching it before it's really super bad, I think I'm gonna be able to reverse it. But if you can see, like some of the ends are hanging a little bit as compared to being kinky. And I'll see if I can put like a before shot here so you can see exactly what my ends look like. But even here on this side, some of them are straight, and if you can see them hanging. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to do a protein treatment to try to help those curls snap back before it gets like too out of hand. So I am soaking wet fresh out of the shower, and my protein conditioner of choice is the Redken Extreme Cat, and this one is great because it doesn't get hard and it doesn't stink and it doesn't drip everywhere. And I love this as an Apogee replacement. I do still, however, use Apogee from time to time, but this is my go-to. This comes in a spray, and I'm gonna go ahead and start spraying it onto my strands. And whenever I sit under the dryer, I will not be putting a cap on my head. So I'll let it do its work. And I'll sit under the dryer about 15 minutes. So I'm just gonna go ahead and thoroughly spray this all over, especially on the ends. And this particular conditioner does suds up as compared to the Apogee that gets hard on your head, but it's still a pretty hardcore protein. So yeah. The back looked like it didn't get as much damage, but I'm still going to spray all over my entire head so my entire head can get a good solid protein treatment. I'm just going to work that in. And as soon as I put the protein on, you can start seeing some of the strands getting like a little bit straighter. Yeah, so the damage is a little bit more intense than what I anticipated. As always, it's always the fronts of my hair that get the most heat damage. Let's see if we can combat that. And I'm going to go sit under the dryer. Woo! So I've been under the dryer for about 30 minutes and my hair is practically dry, and this is how it's looking so far. So I rinsed the Extreme Cat out of my hair, and now I'm going to follow that up with the Joico K-Pack Intense Hydrator, and this is going to be preventive maintenance to make sure that my hair doesn't break after an extreme protein treatment. Ooh, I can barely talk. All this water dripping down. So I'm going to slather this all over my hair and then sit underneath the dryer for, I don't know, I guess about 20-30 minutes, and we'll see what happens. I really think that I'm probably gonna have to do a few treatments to get my curls to snap back, but we're gonna see how the first treatment is. So y'all hang on, I'll be back in a little bit. So I'm done with the whole process of shampooing and conditioning my hair. I use the Redken Extreme Cat to repair the damage on my hair. It's an intense protein treatment that it doesn't get hard like Apogee. It does make your hair a little bit crispy, but it doesn't get hard and it's not sticky. So I prefer that one. And then afterwards I use the Joico K-Pack Intense Hydrator to make sure that my hair gets all the hydration put back into it so I wouldn't have any damage and breakage after doing an intense protein treatment. And my hair is wet after everything, and this is how it looks. And if you can tell, my hair has shrunk back to its normal shrinkage that I had before instead of hanging down like it was before. And I'll insert a before over here so you guys can see it. And also, I do still have some strands that are a little bit, well, not as curly as they were before, but I feel like with another 2 or 3 treatments, I think that'll bounce back. But it looks like everything is looking really good and back to normal, which I'm very, very, very happy about. I'm so happy. Yeah, even when like it really bounced back big time, and I'm so happy about that because My hair hates heat, and it seems like whenever I do heat, like back to back to back, I always wind up with some sort of heat damage. So I did this treatment so I would be able to catch it before it got too big, where I, you know, and if you guys have ever seen heat damage where the hair is like straightened all the way, I'm not looking forward to that because my hair is fine and I need as much fullness in my hair as possible. So it looks really, really, really super good. And I just did this video to show you guys that, hey, if you do suffer some type of heat damage, it is possible to get your curls back if it's not too far gone. So here it is. Ha. Looking good, feeling good, and I'm so excited because my hair is almost back to normal. There is hope. So guys, don't forget to smash the subscribe button, hit the notification bell for hair, beauty, and makeup for the beginner and beyond. I love you guys so much. Look at how beautiful my hair is. Now I'm gonna go eat my lunch. Love you guys.